As green trees create a fence, lush leaves grow strong and dense. Mirrored views upon the water I see, a moment in nature, wild and free. Clouds, moss, grass, trees, and rocks, a stopping of all worries and clocks, letting me sit here and be still. This feeling is wild and unreal. I let my mind come to this place to find the calm I forget to chase, enjoying reality and imagination, allowing the chorus to bend my fascination. A moment in nature helps me understand, no matter where I am forced to stand. I am always looking and able to find the place where peace eases my mind.